I miss you. All I have are memories of you. From me a youth, you went there when we first start crying.
You know, we got to link up with a man called Zacchaeus Jackson right now. Zacchaeus, good night.
Good night, my brother. Good night. You are not a Jamaican, the whole world. What going on, sir?
I'm blessed, my brother. What time is it in the UK?
London right now, it's minutes after 1:30, so it's about 25 minutes to 2 in the morning.
In the morning. And Zacchaeus, you're up listening to Melody my time in the morning, and Zacchaeus?
Yeah, man, of course. All the while, man.
Well, we're playing your song right now.
While,
we're playing your song, and this is from personal experience, missing your mommy.
Yeah, man.
Tell us about that song, Zacchaeus.
Well, that song, my mother died over 23 years ago from cancer, right? And it's just a couple years ago I wrote the song and I recorded it about a year ago, right? But it hurtful, man. When I hear the song, it makes me cry.
Okay.
A lot of people love the song. From all over the world, I love the song. That is like the first experience of people who had cancer and they just, succumb to the cancer thing.
Okay.
You know? So that's from my heart.
The man called Zacchaeus Jackson now resides in the UK. Tell us about Zacchaeus. How long have you been singing, Zacchaeus?
Before my born, my mother woman. Long time, man, I'm an engineer by trade, but I write and sing songs. So, well, professionally, I've been doing it for about 1985,
Okay, but how long have you left Jamaica?
I was born in the UK, but I spent time in Jamaica because I with my brother in Kingston, right, in Harborview. And then when I was born, I was speaking pure Jamaican, because my parents speak Jamaican, my cousin come from Jamaica, so the environment make you understand? So when I'm talking, I pure pattern I talk, All
right, let's talk about your big song that is creating waves in the USA and in the UK right now. Pull up your pants.
I can hear now, yeah, man, I can hear now. Yeah, man, people like it because it's just song. When I was in Jamaica, August, I wrote this song, because I personally am fed up of seeing the youth with their pants hang down like that. I don't like it, alright? And, a lot of people from a different walk of life, them like this song, they don't like that kind of style either.
Okay.
You understand? So, I wrote a song from there, and people are playing it. A lot of UK stations are playing, a couple of stations in America are playing. So, I big up the American stations playing and the UK stations.
So, you're saying you're getting good feedback from it?
Yeah, man, but you are the first, man. They bust it first, worldwide exclusive, man. You played first.
Respect, my brother. But is it Zacchaeus that this song can take you to the next level?
Yeah, I hope so, because it's like people are seeing to paying attention. I should be in a local, like a London paper next couple of weeks, an interview, right? Because the editor got this song and he want to interview me.
Right.
All right, so that's an online paper. So I'll let you know about that. And I'm hoping it will take off, because it's a subject dear to people art, you understand? Because, you're not for dress like that up on road, man. It's not a good look, you understand? To me personally.
All right, let's let our listeners listen to it for a minute.
Yeah, man.
Boy, I don't know about some of the youth nowadays, how them are trying to press it now. Because they favor ink pan nail, man, and the ink pan nail pants style, When Mr. Ink pan nail is on the Jamaican scene, this
Brian Bowen, like the world want to know him.
And then clothes like to fall off of them, May I tell you something, it's a youth, me couldn't go to my yard look so. My mother that give me one maximum for go walk and look for my tea. You know, say it. Zacchaeus Jackson again, man. Them and I'll show you, man.
Pants we pull up and wear properly. Make people know you a smarty big knee. Chat pan road, me say decently. Walk with style and your dignity. Pants we pull up and wear properly. Make people know you a smarty big knee. Chat pan road, me say decently. Walk with style and pure dignity.
Believe me, that I know any fashion. Pants hang down and show them bottom. Tell me sing thing when me no understand. What kind of style that combination? How this funny generation? Look like they no got no real ambition.
Zacchaeus, you still there?
Yeah, man, still there, man.
Yeah, man. So the song will kick up, it kick where? Well, congratulations, my brother. This song will take you to the next level and all the best. But tell us, what is your plan for the rest of the year?
Well, I'm coming to Jamaica probably about July, August, if life's spare. Hopefully to do a video for this song, the same song. Visit my family and just chill for about a month.
And the plans on going elsewhere? Like somewhere else? Any plans on any major tour?
No, I would like one. My ambition is to perform in the land of my parentage, Jamaica. That's how I want to perform.
Okay.
I want to have anybody out there can come. Me things good enough. Me things in my shot, man. Trust me. I sing, I DJ, and I do spoken word as well. So, and the full package.
Yeah, the full package. Zacchaeus Jackson all the way in the
man.
UK. Enough respect, my brother. All the best. You know, people listening right now, so listen for some calls, right?
Yeah, man. Big up Mel FM and the whole of Jamaica. My family now, Negro, right, and Kingston. Big up yourself, Brian. Respect, my brother, to the max.
Enough
All
respect
right,
again and again. Big up yourself. Just tell them to pull up them
One
pawns.
answer. Bless you, thank you.
Track pan road, me say decently. Walk with style and pure dignity.
Some of the youth them seeking attention. That's why some of them roll in a gang. Them need real inspiration. Mommy, daddy, who no hear my song? Come together, move as one, and give a youth them a helping hand. Make them get the good education. Focus their mind, get direction.
They can achieve and become anyone. Success, the destination. Step up and rise up the nation. Come together and move as one. Pants people up and wear properly. Make people know you a smarty picnic. Trad pan road, me say decently. Walk with style and pure dignity. Pants people up and wear properly. Make people know you a smarty picnic. Trad pan road, me say decently.
So that's a man called Zacchaeus Jackson all the way in the UK. The man say, yo, pull up in the pants properly. Yo.